RDDT stock analysis. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Reddit stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Reddit stock sitting at $73.98. It's 5.06% up for the day. Personally, I myself am looking to take it higher, and the way that I would do that is just as simple. I simply, like, all I want to see is just the price pull back to pull into this demand zone and go higher, but it just kind of went without me. So what I'm going to do is get rid of this. And with Reddit, it's a good stuff, you know. We definitely took out the highs as expected, and now, I mean, looking for a buys will be the thing that I'd do. But yeah, even if the price now comes down like to $56, I'd definitely still look for like a thing higher. But yeah, so for me to buy, I need to see like a pullback or like a retrace, and if the price does that, only then I'd buy it. So just gonna mark out the highs. If it doesn't give me the rules, then I'm not gonna buy, and this is why I'm gonna put this waiting sign here. So if you want to learn the strategy for free, all the reviews are 5 stars. Check the first link in the description. See you in the next one.